Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 17 to 23, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Sag, let's see any energies for you this week. So this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng inyong money, career, finances, and your love life. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Seven of Pentacles. Someone is waiting. Meron kayong hinihintay. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga trinabaho, inifortan, can be a project or sa work ninyo or sa business ninyo na you are waiting for the results, no? So, it requires a lot of patience. Yung iba naman sa inyo, meron kayong hinihintay na message from someone. Pwedeng related sa negosyo to, sa career, or an important message from someone. Okay. So, overall energy is the Empress. Wow, ang ganda nito, Sag. This is about abundance. This is focusing on taking care of yourself. So, maaring may mga ginagawa kayong hakbang para mas maalagaan nyo yung sarili ninyo. Taking care of your health, your needs. Kahit yung simpleng pagpunta sa salon, sa spa, magpapamasahe ka. So, yun yung way mo to take care of your needs. Some of you are also going to be very creative ngayong week na to. Marami kayong mga ideas na parang you will bring it to life, kumbaga. Isa sa katuparan nyo yung mga ideas nyo na yan. Now, your challenge is the Five of Swords. Nako. So, some of you, aring ang challenge sa inyo is yung competition. Competition sa trabaho, competition sa kamag-anak, or yung competition mo sa field mo, sa area mo. Maaring medyo tight yung competition. Maraming nakikipaglaban para sa ipinaglalaban mo rin. So, for example, sa negosyo, no? Medyo may challenge, no? China-challenge ka sa business mo. Yung iba naman sa work. So, medyo mag-ingat sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo sa trabaho kasi maaring merong betrayal dito, no? So, be careful sa mga makakadeal mo ngayong week na to. I-check mo yung intentions nila, yung background nila. And then your opportunity is the Knight of Swords. So this is taking action. Ito yung inspired ideas. So medyo mabilis na lilipas ang linggong ito para sa inyo. Ngayong March 17 to 23, you will be doing a lot of things. Kung may mga inaasikaso ka sa trabaho, sa business, sa kung ano-ano pang mga errands, no, na kailangan mong asikasuhin. Some of you are also going to take some risk. Yung magre-risk ka para sa isang bagay na gusto mo talagang gawin or i-pursue. And then your blessing is the Queen of Wands. Wow! Ang ganda nito kasi, very spontaneous yung energy ninyo. Hindi naman yung tipong walang balakid, no? So, maaring merong mga bagay na or tao na i-challenge ka or sitwasyon na ma-challenge ka, pero hindi ka magpapapigil sa mga yan. You will pursue whatever you want to do na meron kang lakas ng loob, may confidence ka sa sarili mo na kaya mo. Okay? I also see travel opportunities, pwedeng unexpected travel to for you ngayong week. So, for your money, career, finances, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Oy, maganda to kasi, mastery, no? So, you are mastering your craft. You are doing what's best for you in terms of your career, your money. talagang tinatapatan mo ng sipag, ano, yung pangarap mo. So, syempre, kung talagang gusto mong maabot yung goals mo, yung pangarap mo for your career, your business, or your finances, yung mga financial goals mo, then, tatapatan mo rin yan ng effort. Mm-mm. So, let's get other message for your money, career, finances for Sagittarius. Ayan, perspective. So, yung pananaw mo pagdating sa pera nagbabago, no? Mas nagmamature ka na, alam mo na kung paano mo gamitin yung kaperahan mo. Maaring iba sa inyo, mas nagiging masipag, nag-e-effort talaga kayo for your career, for your business, at yung pagpapahalaga mo sa pera, talagang focus ka dyan, no? And then your love life, you have the Six of Cups. So, this is about the past, energy ng past. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong namimiss na tao na very important sa inyo. This can be a family member or a friend or can be a romantic partner as well. Pwede rin merong babalik, no, na energy from the past. Hindi naman lahat ng bumabalik kailangan pabalikin, no? So, it's still up to you. O, diba? Nakakaloka, Saj. O, biglang may ex. Niisip ko pa lang yung ex tas biglang, a person from the past affects your situation right now. O, meron daw energy ng past mo na nakakaapekto sa sitwasyon mo ngayon sa relationship. So, yung iba, baka hindi kayo makapag-move on dahil kay ex o kaya naman pinag-aawayan nyo ng present person mo, present relationship mo, yung ex mo. Trust, diba? Trust issues. Pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng trust issues this week. Can be sa katrabaho mo, or kung sino man yung ka-deal mo. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, pag kilalanin nyo maigi yung mga taong makaka-deal ninyo. Kasi baka merong hindi magandang intentions, no? And this is also about trusting yourself. Trusting yourself sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, i-pursue, diba? Prosperity. Wow, ang ganda naman. Kasi may Empress ka na dito, may prosperity pa. So, things are doing well for you. You are attracting abundance in your life. And may grace pa, grace is gracia, diba? Wow. That's awesome. Okay, so there's blessings coming in sa'yo, Sagittarius. I think nagbunga na talaga yung iyong mga pinaghirapan at yung iyong effort ay talagang worth it, no? You deserve sugar, not salt. Yes, alam mo kung ano yung dinedeserve mo. You will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.